it's Beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you this super dramatic, sparkly look, perfect for New Year's. That was my whole intention for this video. I have it paired with this gray glittery dress. I thought that it looked super cute. I had a little bit of pink in there to make it pop a little bit. The reason I went for the pink on the eyes as well was with this bow and this little gift bag from MAC, because this is the same color as this, and then I wanted to incorporate that. I just thought it looked so cute. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this super glittery look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with Kat Von D's Wolf liquid lipstick, and I'm just drawing that in my crease, and then I'm going to be blending that out with a Luxie Beauty Duo Fiber brush. This is just going to act as my eyeshadow base. Really taking my time to work that into the skin, make sure it's all blended, and then I will just set that with a powder. Now I'm going into the Carroty Colorful Matte palette, and I'm taking the shade Whisper on a fluffier brush and just working that into the upper crease area. Now I'm taking the hot pink shade, which is called Wet Lumbia, on a MAC 217, and I'm going to apply this to my crease as well. Then I am just going to pick up a fluffier brush just to diffuse that a bit. And then I'm picking up more of Whisper to further diffuse the edge. Now I'm taking the gray, which is called Sinful from the same palette, and I'm adding this to my crease as well, and then going back and blending with the pink shade. And then I'm picking up the shade Disturbia, which is black. Guys, I'm using black eyeshadow again. And I'm adding this to my crease. And then I'm using more of the gray shade to blend that all together. I'm honestly so proud of myself for using black eyeshadow. And it didn't look like crap, which I'm pretty proud of. So now I'm using the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow in Gunmetal. Whew, that's a handful to say. And I am just putting this all over my lid. This is such an easy product. You can literally just use it right out of the tube. And it's like a lipstick, almost like a liquid lipstick. It's really cool. But then I did pick up an angled brush to further wing out that shadow. So like you see there. Then I just felt like I lost a little bit of pink in my crease, so I'm adding a bit more. And then I'm going to be blending it out with more of Whisper. Now I'm going with the NYX Glitter Glue and just tapping that onto the lid. And now I'm going to be putting Lit Porcelain size 4 glitter over top. Then I did take a bit of the lit base and just swept that across. It makes it more smooth. You don't have to do it though. Now I'm taking the Pretty Vulgar ink gel liner, and I am just going to be drawing a wing. And then I'm taking MAC's A Little Moonlight Dazzle Liner and placing that over top, because this is a New Year's look and it needs to be super sparkly. Of course, you can skip this step if you wanted to. I just wanted it to be super sparkly. Then I'm taking Milk Makeup's Eye Pigment in Jam Room. This is just like a cream eyeshadow, and I'm adding this to the inner corner of my eye. It shifts to lavender, so I thought that looked really pretty. Then I'm taking this black eyeliner from Makeup Forever. You can use any black eyeliner. At this point, this is the moment when I noticed that I have a sty, so this pencil has gone in the trash. But yeah, I'm just lining my waterline and along my lower lash line. And then I am smoking this out with the brush that I used in the beginning. Then I thought it was a little bit too big of a brush, so I switched to a smaller, denser brush. And now I'm taking more of the black and I'm just adding that to the lower lash line, and then I'm smoking everything out with the shadows I used above. Now I'm taking Sugar Pill's Ghosted pigment and I'm going to add this to the inner corner to add a bit more brightness. And then I added the Rouge and Rogue Electra lashes, but I didn't think it was dramatic enough, so I stacked on the Dominator lashes. And this is the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I love the way that it turned out. I would totally wear this out for New Year's, but I don't think I've ever actually gone out for New Year's. And Wade and I probably won't be going out for New Year's. I mean, we might go to the pub, but nothing like super fancy like this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below one of your resolutions for 2019. I'm thinking I obviously want to be consistent with my posting. I also want to keep living in the moment. I want to not be on my phone as much because I feel like I'm on it all the time on Instagram, or just like planning out my posts and stuff, and I would love to just like be more in the moment. Yeah, let me know one of your resolutions for 2019. I'd love to hear, and I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday season. I can't wait to see what 2019 has in store, and I hope to see you guys in 2019. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Bye guys.